The notification hits. Her hand moves before her mind decides. She's checking Instagram while brushing her teeth, scrolling through emails during dinner. The phone pulls her attention like gravity pulls water downhill. She can't remember the last time her mind felt still. This moment happens a million times a day across the world. But 2,000 years ago, in the mountains of ancient India, Ayurvedic physicians would have recognized this immediately. They called it Raja's imbalance, mental overstimulation, excessive restlessness of consciousness. In that moment, she understood something the Charaka Samhita had mapped centuries before her birth. Here's what nobody tells you about phone addiction. It's not a character flaw. It's not weak willpower. Ancient Ayurveda would call this a dosha imbalance, specifically Rajas overwhelming your mental field. Rajas is one of three fundamental energies that govern consciousness. Think of it as the principle of movement, stimulation, activity. When balanced, Rajas gives you motivation and focus. When excessive, it creates what the ancient texts describe as chitta vikshep, mental scattering. Sound familiar? The Charaka Samhita explains that consciousness naturally seeks stimulation. But here's the part that changes everything. Your mind doesn't distinguish between ancient stimulation and digital stimulation. The same mental mechanism that once kept you alert to predators now keeps you alert to notifications. But this is where it gets strange. The ancient physicians knew something we've forgotten. Raja's imbalance creates a feedback loop. The more stimulation you seek, the more restless your baseline state becomes. You felt this, you just didn't have a name for it. That underlying anxiety when your phone isn't nearby. That compulsive reaching even when no notification came. That feeling like your mind is always slightly revved up, even in quiet moments. The Ayurvedic masters understood that healing Raja's imbalance requires working with all three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. This is about you, specifically. Your nervous system, your consciousness, your peace. Here's the three-dosha reset practice from the ancient texts. First, ground Vata. 5 minutes of conscious breathing. Feel your feet on earth. Second, cool Pitta. Splash cold water on your wrists and temples. Third, invoke Kapha stability. Sit without moving for 60 seconds. No phone. No input. Just presence. This isn't meditation. This is medicine. You're literally rebalancing the fundamental energies that govern your attention. Does this sound like your life right now? That constant pull towards stimulation. That underlying restlessness. You're not broken. You're experiencing what humans have experienced for thousands of years. The difference is now you know what it is. And you know what your ancestors knew about bringing consciousness back into balance. If this name's something you've been carrying, subscribe. Ancient wisdom for modern life every day.